Okay, EC01 is a T code. EC01 is a T code to check a enterprise structure. To check the enterprise structure. Let me show here. Here EC01. Okay, under EC01 we have organization structure. Or structure navigation. Okay, once if you click navigation, all company codes it will show. UI03 is my company code. Okay, UI03. Continue. Continue. Control F. Find your company code. UI03. UI03. Double click on UI03. See here. Everything we assigned. Assignment. If you define, it won't show like this. You have to assign to the company code. See here. This is my company code. My company code is assigned to company. Company code is assigned to plants. Company code assigned to purchasing organization. Company code assigned to the credit control area. This step I did not do. This step we copied. We copied from database. Okay, all GL accounts we copied. By default, it has come this particular credit control area. Credit control area means in your practice also, if you see your credit control area, your company code is correct. Otherwise, without credit control area also we can create it. But if you create without control area, okay, in run like in future classes, we'll use goods receipt, goods issue, transfer posting, invoice, those concepts we can use it. That time we will get a runtime errors. That's what credit control area compulsory you should get. Okay, you should get. If credit control area is not, if you are not getting, what you have to do? You just recreate once again company code. Okay, that's better. Okay, understood this point? Next. Okay, full enterprise structure is completed. It's related to MM and FI settings. Only 3 settings I explained here. Now, today I am going to explain what is data, what is master data, what are the types of data. Okay, you know that what is the definition of data and types of data. What is the meaning of? It is the information. If it is material, material information. If it is sales, sales information. If it is purchase, purchase information. Okay, whatever that is. Okay, that information. Okay. Types of data means for each and every material data we have master data is there, transactional data is there. Okay, first write down. Side heading is data. The side heading is data. It is a information. It is a information. It is a information. Example: material data, purchase data. Purchase data, invoice data, vendor master data. Vendor master data. Next, types of data. In any module, we have 3 types of data. Types of data. Okay, types of data. Master data, first one. Second one is production data. Third one is organization data. Okay, you attended this class? You attended? No. Okay, master data, transactional data, organization data, organization data. Separate definitions one by one. Yes. Master data means separate definitions I am giving. First write down all the types of data. Master data. It never changes the data. It never changes the data. Like date of birth, father name, mother name, material number. These names it never change. Okay, it will be fixed in industry wise. Not only industry, anywhere. Father name it won't change. Date of birth. Okay, once if you enter that date of birth. Okay, material numbers also it won't change frequently. Okay, vendor numbers also it won't change frequently. Those type of, if it is industry wise, we can call vendor number, material numbers, purchase order numbers, we can call master data. If it is HR scenario, we can call date of birth, father name, mother name. This data we can call master data. Okay, it never changes the data. It never changes the data. It never changes the data. Example, date of birth, father name, mother name, vendor number, material material number, purchase order number. Okay, this all it will come under okay master data. Okay, master data creation. Okay, master data. Transaction data. There only transaction. There only meaning it is there. What is the meaning of transaction? It keep on changes the data. It keep on changes the data. Which data it will change? Bank data, your salary account data, your salary information data. This month the night shift allowances, if you work night shift allowances, it will add night shift allowance. Same salary you won't get it. Means if you apply leave 1 week, automatically it will deduct from your salary. Okay, salary will vary. Salary account, salary data. Okay, purchase order quantity, purchase order amount. These type of data we can call transactional data. Keep on changes the data. Okay, keep on. Very important questions. Keep on changes the data. Keep on changes the data. Example, material quantity, material price, material price, invoice details, salary account, salary account. Okay, salary account. This data we can call transaction data. Okay, transaction data. Organization is clear now this point. Transaction means next. Any doubt anybody about master and transaction? Because these two questions are common questions in entry. Okay, they'll ask guarantee question master data. So many points are there in that. I'll give next. Organization data means rarely changes the data. Rarely changes the data. Which data it will change rarely? Like company code information, plant. Say company code. Once if you create company code, it may change or may not change. But some company if acquire, then they will change that particular one. Say Infosys will buy some particular small companies. Then they will change that particular company code. Okay. Company organization data is nothing but a company code data. Plant information data we'll call organization data. Rarely, some company if acquires small company, they have to rename small company name. That type of data we can call organization data. Rarely changes the data. Example, company code and plant data. Company code and plant data. Okay, today I'm going to introduce master data. Master data concept. Okay, now side heading is master data. This is guarantee question. They'll ask what are the master data you worked in your project. Okay, maybe if you specify some experience, they'll ask this question. Otherwise, what are the concepts you learned under master data? Master data concepts, we have different concepts are there, like vendor master data. These are all the subheadings. Okay, subheadings. Material will create it. Material master data, vendor master data, source list, purchase info record, quota arrangement, service master data, service master data. These are all the concepts under master data. Okay, vendor master data, material master data. Now today, okay, these are the concepts actually, one by one concept. Today I'm going to introduce material master data. Okay, material master data. This concept is big concept, material master data. If you understand material master data, it is easy to understand next 10-15 classes, minimum 10 classes. Almost same concepts. Okay, configuration almost the same. Okay, the main concept is material, means what exactly the meaning of material, how to maintain the mandatory fields, how to hide the fields. If you understand this concept, not only this one, even transactional data, purchase info record, purchase requisition, purchase order, contract, scheduling agreement, request for quotation, almost next 10-15 classes minimum. Okay, by up to this weekend, month end, you can understand clearly. That's what, if you concentrate only this concept, all master data, transaction related data, you can understand clearly. Okay, that's what very important related concept. I'll give each and every scenario, Okay, for practical also, your own practice also, I'll give some 2 or 3 scenarios. By this weekend also, I'm going to take a Saturday also, I'm going to plan one extra session Saturday. Okay, by this weekend for Sunday practice, I will give some assignments. Okay, by this weekend, we'll complete this material master data or before also. Okay, I'll try to see. Okay, how exactly you're grasping based on that. Scenarios also I'll give for practice purpose. Okay, first concept is material master data. First concept is material master data. This is a separate topic. I cannot discuss right now. Why means you will confuse now because this so many points are there. That's what one concept I'll discuss one sessions, separate sessions. Now first concept name is material master data. First observe now here, what is meaning of material? Material means, sir, now this is mouse. The mouse. This mouse I can call finished material. This is in complete form, final form. Okay, this is I can call finished material. Before this material, before this mouse, we have different forms: raw materials, semi-finished materials. Okay, different forms. Those forms we have to maintain in SAP. Means it is a physical form. It is a physical format. Means I am going to count by pieces. This is piece one. Okay, if you have n number of pieces, those are all you can call pieces. There, some chairs, iron. How they will count it? Iron means iron kgs they will count. If it is this format, piece. Okay, means it is a physical form. Okay, material is nothing but it is a physical form to count in industries. Okay, in the industries, like here we have some other materials also. Means we cannot call material. So now fan repair. Okay, fan repair. Fan repair. Repair is not material. What is repair? Service. What is repair? Okay, service. Meaning we can create services also in SAP. Okay, those all I'll discuss later. But now material master data is nothing but material is nothing but it is a physical form to count the physical material. Okay, right on. It is a physical form. It is a physical form. Example. Iron. Iron, plastic, chemicals, gas, diesel, oil. See, oil also same physical format only. Gas also physical form only. Means we'll fill in cylinders. Okay? Fill. These are all. To maintain these particular physical forms here, if you observe now here, each one is different format. If you observe here, iron, some particular physical properties are there. Chemical, plastic, some physical properties are there. Chemicals, like tablet industry will use the chemicals. Okay, those are all. Oil, gas and oil, gas in okay vapor format. Oil, okay, normal. Okay, these are all the different formats. Means whenever you are going to maintain, according to the units, you have to maintain the material. We cannot say oil. We cannot use oil in kg wise. Okay, RPs wise. Okay, always will buy using some liters or okay gallons like that we will buy it. Okay, iron and plastic will buy based on okay kg wise. Means if it is finished format, say this is iron only, but we'll buy using pieces. The finished format is different, raw material different. It is a physical by quantity wise. We can call measurements. Okay, we can call measurement. What is measurement? I will show it later. Okay, first we need codes. We need a transaction codes. To create this one, we need transaction code. I'm going to write all the T codes. All are interview questions. MM01. Okay, change. M03. Display
Sir,
material.
excuse
Yeah,
me, sir.
tell me.
Sir, voice stuck out, sir.
Oh no. No, it's clear here. Srikanth.
Yes, sir.
Lokesh, can you hear me clearly? Others? Gagan? Others?
Yes, sir.
Lokesh? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Srikanth, check your
Sir,
internet setting.
sir, it's clear, sir.
Now, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Because my side it's okay. It's clear. It's okay. Okay. It's connected properly. Okay. Check once again. Okay. Check once again your settings. Otherwise, rejoin. Okay.
Okay,
Rejoin.
sir.
Anyhow, I'm recording the session. Okay. Rejoin. Okay, MM04 is nothing but these are all very changes material. MM05 it is not there. This is del change material types. Material list report. Text and material views. Close the periods. Maybe stock overview. Okay, this is later stages you will learn, but now I am giving this particular T code. These are all the main T codes under material master data, frequently which we can use it. This is also frequently we can use, but last concept. Guarantee questions are MM01, MM06, MM60, MM50, MMRV, MMPV. Without this question, there is no material master data. Okay, these are all pakka questions in any interview. MM01, MM06. This is rarely this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this MM03, 4 and 6. They won't ask. Sorry, 4 MMAM. Okay. Sometimes it will ask material type change also. Better remember. This is every month and activity. This is pakka question. These two are pakka questions. Every month support related they'll ask supporting related questions. These two are okay. These two are okay. We'll discuss later one by one. First, okay, MM01. Okay, MM01. Okay, today okay we are concentrating on only this particular topic. Okay, MM01. MM01. What is meaning of MM01? Create material. See here, if you want to create the material, first you have to know which industry sector you are working. Which industry? Is it plastic industry? Is it manufacturing industry? Is it oil industry? Is it pharma industry? First, you have to segregate this one. Example, if you join in any company, Reddy's Lab, which company that is? Pharma industry. The pharma industry. Tata Motors, manufacturing industry. Tata Motors, car manufacturing industry. Tata iron industry. Tata Chemicals, chemical industry. So there is segregation is meaning here industry sector is important. Okay, meaning first which industry you are working. Under that industry, what are the material types are there? What are the material types? Material types means just now I discussed raw materials, semi-finished goods, finished goods, okay, pipeline related material. Pipeline means here power This power is not a raw material. This is through pipe. Through pipe, we'll get power. Oil, gas, through pipe only we'll get it. These type of all concepts we can call material types. Meaning, if you want to create material master data, we need which industry sector and what type of material types you are creating. That is the first point. And before going to the material master data, first, what exactly the meaning of MM01? MM01 means it is an application or code. Combination of different database tables we can call one application. Combination of different database tables we can call one application. Okay, one application. See, to prepare MM01, they use so many database tables. But for us, we need some 4 tables we required. All table list I am giving, meaning very important database tables under material master data. Okay, database tables in material master data. Okay, database tables in material master data. Very important 4 tables. MARA. Okay, material master data. Material text table. Without this question, there is no interview itself. MERC. Material data with plant information. Okay, 4 database table. Not only this table, so many are there. MEEW, MBEW, like that, so many database table. Combination of these all tables, combination of all these tables, they created a material master data. These all tables, used in MM01. Okay, not only MM01, MM02, MM03, all database tables. Okay, okay, now. Okay, now I'm going to introduce now MM01. First, I'll show MM01 input screen first. Okay, MM01 input screen. Now I'm introducing MM01 related. What exactly MM01? Okay, how to use it? Okay, see here. MM01 is a T code. T code. First, you have to understand the code. You can directly enter MM01 or I told you one point. How to enter? Path. Logistics, material management, material master data, material general. So here MM01 is there. Okay, directly you can double click here. Otherwise, you can enter the code here. Okay, either way. Okay, write down path. Okay, path. MM01 path. Okay, MM01 path. Okay, path. SAP menu, logistics, material management. Okay. Material master. Material. Material. Create general. Okay. Create general. MM01. Okay. MM01. Actually, it is immediately there. That is not immediately. Sir, you have to read like this. Create. MM01 means immediately it is there. That is not exact meaning. Okay. MM01 means create material like that. Okay. Material. Okay. No problem. You just double click. Automatically it will show there. What is the meaning of MM01? Okay. Create material. Otherwise, if you're not going to do this particular path, I told you, if you remember the code, directly enter this one. Both are same. Okay, both are same. Create material. Now we are concentrating on this one. See, this is end user screen. End users are different. Developers are different. We are developers. We are testers. We are end users. Okay? Because without testing, without using, how we will deliver to the end user? Okay, we cannot deliver. Okay, for that, first we are developers. After developing application, is it working or not? You have to test it. Once if you test it, then we'll deliver to the users. They will use it. Now this is a final screen actually, end user screen. But what is your role here? Your role means what is the material length? They will ask like here. Here material length is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What is the length of the material? 18. They will ask question. Can increase material length is more than 18? First question is what is the material length? 18. Can you increase the material length? We cannot increase. Can you decrease the material length? We can decrease it. Write down. In SAP, material length is maximum material length is 18. Okay, maximum material length is 18. Okay, 18. We cannot increase more than 18. In SAP, we cannot increase, but in S4HANA, we can increase. Maximum length is 40. Write down. In S4HANA, maximum material length is 40. In S4HANA, maximum material length is 40. This is one note question. Next. Okay, next. How to set? Okay, first configuration I'm explaining now. Okay, yeah. First configuration, material length configuration. Write down. Okay, in backend we have to do it. What is it 18 or 12, whatever the length is, that length we have to do in backend. Okay, write down. Material length configuration. To do this material length configuration, SPRO. What is the T code? SPRO. Okay, steps. This is only configuration. Okay, these steps. Okay, configuration. SPRO. See here, I open two sessions. Two sessions. One is end user session. Another one is development session. We are developers. Okay, development session I opened. Okay, once if I complete back end means development, I will test immediately in another screen. Is it working properly or not? Okay, that's what I opened two sessions. If you are not okay, just close this this particular material. Later you can check. Okay, no need to open multiple sessions also. This is easiest way to test it. Okay, SAP reference IMG, SPRO IMG. Fan race, switch on. Okay, SAP reference IMG. What is meaning of IMG? Implementation guide. Okay, implementation guide. Next, sir, up to yesterday's session, we worked enterprise structure, correct? enterprise structure. Now today we are not going to do the enterprise structure. Why? Enterprise structure is over. Now we are moving to logistic general. Okay, logistic general. Okay, logistic general. Go to logistic general. Under logistic general, material master. Under logistic general, material master. Under material master, we have basic settings is there. Okay, basic settings. Okay, basic settings. See here, under basic settings, we have material numbers is there. Define output format of material numbers. This is a node. Okay, this is a node. Execute. Define output format of material numbers. Okay, execute. You can observe now here what is the material number length. This is the default size length. Now if I just example I am giving, if I change 20, observe now, enter, it will show one message. Length of the material number must not exceed more than 18. Okay, for that you have to search what is the possible length. Okay, maximum 18 only. But if you want to reduce it, it will okay. It will reduce it. Means we can create it. See here, it is allowed, but we never keep it 12. That is 18 only. Okay, 18 only. Next, here 4 questions are there. All 4 questions I am giving. First question is 18. Next question, material number template. Material number template. Okay, material number template. Meaning example I'm giving. See here, if I enter material number name is M1, material number name is M1 number. If you create 10 materials, all 10 materials will created M1, 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 M1 only. Template means for iron. Here now I am using Ballari iron ore. There iron ore only all materials. All material related name is iron ore only every time. Okay, no need to create new material there. Okay, that's why fixed template they will use it. But in other companies they will use different types of product, different types of materials. We never use a template. Okay, template. If you use template, what exactly? It will be fixed number. It will be fixed number. If you assign M1, M1 will be all the materials. If it is 1000 materials are there, all 1000 materials will be M1 only. Okay, but what we won't use most of the times. Understood this point? Interview question. Template means it is a fixed number, fixed material number. It is a fixed material number. Next. Next. Okay, leading zeros. Okay, leading zeros. I'm explaining one by one. Okay, leading zeros. You observe now here. Leading zeros I'm explaining. Leading zeros. Okay, what is the material size length? Length is 18. But if I create material material number length, material number is M1. What is the size? M1 means 2 characteristics only. M1 means 2 characters. But what is the size of the length? Size of the material? 18. Leading zeros means system will create zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 zeros. Leading zeros means before material number, it will create okay, that particular one. I'll give one more example. I'm creating iron. Okay, iron is the material number, like examples here. Iron. Iron, how many characteristics? 4. Then how many zeros should come now? Okay, 14. That we can call leading zeros. Okay, leading zeros. Okay, it depends upon the company. Compulsory leading zeros you have to maintain or not. Okay, company will give automatically. Okay, we need zeros before material number. Okay, we have to maintain. Okay, leading zeros. Lexo. Okay, write down this point. Clearly write down example also. Okay, example. Okay, leading zeros means before. Okay, before zeros. If I don't want zeros, we'll select here lexographical. If you don't want zeros, you can select a lexographical. Write down that point. These are all the 4 questions. Okay, these are all the 4 questions. Lexographical. Okay, lexographical, but by default it will be set here already leading zeros only. It is checkbox. Okay, in runtime you cannot change it. In first time only we can change it. Okay, once if material is created, you cannot change it in real time. Okay, but here okay. Okay, you won't get an error. But by default it will be leading zeros only at real time. Okay, that's it. Save it. Okay, back. I did not do any changes here. Just explain only. Material number length, template, leading zeros, lexographical. This is fixed setting. Okay, fixed setting. Next. Next. Let me open MM01 once again. Save back. MM01 once again. Material number related I explained. Now we have to create here industry sector. Which industry you are working? Example, manufacturing industry. You have to create a, okay, which company we created last time? Usha. Okay, Usha manufacturing industry or Usha industry. Whatever name. Okay, Usha mechanical industry. I have to create here one industry sector name. Next side heading. Industry sector creation. Understood? Any doubt? Next, industry sector creation. Okay, here I have to create my own industry sector name. Usha mechanical industry I have to create. But there is no Usha right now. Now check here. Is there Usha any name? Here. Okay, no Usha. No number. Now to create this number after save, okay, back, back, back. Okay, here we have one option. Fields here under material master only, same path. Under master data only, we have field selection is there. Okay, industry sector creation. Path I will give once again. Go to SPRO. Full path I will give once again. Go to SPRO. Okay, full path SPRO. IMG. Logistic General. Okay, Logistic General. Material master data. Material master. Field selection. Okay, field selection. Under that, define industry sectors. Okay, define industry sector. And industry sector specific field selection. Okay, define. So, how many industry sectors are we have here? 42 industry sectors. They already created so many industry sector names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. F is F also there. G, H, I, J, K, L. L is not there. Okay, L is not there. Okay, okay. What will do? Okay, if you feel like that means so many number ranges here, so many are practicing. Okay, I will remove some for our practical purpose. Because nobody can practice if every all numbers A to Z 0 to 9 everything is there, then who will practice here? Okay, that's what I'm deleting some sample data. Okay, now go to new entries. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Any letter you can use it, not existing letter. Okay, not existing letter. Okay, M I deleted already. M U all. You also deleted, I think. You I will use it. Usha mechanical industry. Field reference is ROH. Save it. What is ROH? I'll give you next. Okay, raw material only, but there. Okay, field reference we can call. Field references we can call. Okay, that is material type actually. Save it. Save it. Now it is generated. Now it is generated. This is we can call configuration. You created, but you have to test this one. How to use this one? User, end user has to use here. How to use it? I'm going to test now. Where we have to go? Already opened one more session. Don't try in this session directly. First, you have to refresh this session. Refresh means open another session. That done. Testing. Okay, testing. Okay, testing. I'm explaining. Open another session. Enter MM01. Enter MM01. Enter. Enter. What is the industry sector name? Check now. Is it created now? Okay, Usha mechanical industry. Because as a developer, what exactly they are expecting? Your plant people, your client, what exactly they are expecting? That particular data we have to configure. That is only we can call configuration. Okay, configuration. Now, in this mechanical industry, we have different types of materials. Raw materials, semi-finished materials, finished materials, pipeline, gas, oil, different types of material types. Those all materials we can call material types. Next question is, next one is, today I'll discuss this point also, material type. Okay. First point is over now. Okay. Next question is material type configuration. Next point is configuration. One interview question is here. ROH is nothing but a raw material. These are all standard material types. Raw material type. Write down very important questions. All are HALB is a semi finished material type. FERT finished material type. DIN services. PIPE pipeline. Is packing material. Okay, packing material. These all we are calling, what we are calling standard material type. Standard material type. This all we are calling standard material type. Now, today class, I'm just copying only. Tomorrow I'll extend this topic once again. What I'm doing here, ROH raw material, I'm just copy to customized material type. Customized material type. My own naming conventions I need. Okay, my own material type. Which name I will give? Okay, Usha no? US RO I'll create US RO. Okay, this is my own naming convention, sir. Okay, US RO instead of ROH, I'm creating my own naming conventions. What is the naming convention? What is US RO means? Raw material. My own naming. Okay, my own naming. If you want, you can use standard only. But in real time, we will use customized also. How to create, I'm explaining. Understood this point? Copying standard material type to customized material type. Okay, customized. For that also we have path, separate path right now. Path is same as above, like whatever I had given material number range. Okay, up to material master same as above. Okay, write down path up to, otherwise you can write down up to basic settings. Up to basic settings same as above. Up to basic settings same as above. After basic settings, okay, material types. Okay, material types. After that, define attributes of material types. Okay, define attributes of material type. Okay, define attributes. Execute. If you observe that these material types, there are thousands of material types already created. Created by different users. Different users. See here how many material types are there? 637. What is our material type? ROH. Click on this same. I will repeat 2-3 times tomorrow class. Just only procedure I am giving now. Okay, click on position. Write down. Click on position. Enter ROH. Okay, enter ROH. Any time raw material I am creating. ROH. See here now ROH is come standard material. H. Click on copy as F6. Company code we copied. Same procedure. Select ROH. Click on copy as. Copy as F6. Immediately it will go to the next screen. Give your own name. USRO means Usha raw material. Okay, raw material. Just I changed only these two names. Material type description. I will discuss tomorrow class all these points. Right now we don't have time. That's why I'm going to discuss tomorrow. Enter. Now USRO will be copied. Enter once again. Enter. 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 Here 1789. It is copied. All plants. Okay. All dependent entries are copied. Now my continue. material type is copied, save, Control S. Save, Control. Any doubt up to this point? Material type is copied, but where we have to test it? Is it okay? In MM01 testing. Okay, testing right on. Now this is created or not, we have to test. Go to testing. Testing. Go to MM01. Go to MM01, refresh once again. Okay. MM0. Industry sector you have seen already. That is already created. But now this time US RO. Check here. US RO. Here. Is it correct? Okay, Usha raw material. Okay. What is the importance? Tomorrow you'll see. Okay, because tomorrow today it's already time over. Okay, tomorrow class more extension points. What is view? What is structure? Okay, so many points are there. Tomorrow I'll discuss. Okay, Srikanth, it's clear. Okay, I already recorded. Just to go through that one. Okay, still if you have doubt, no problem. Tomorrow I'm going to explain once the extension. Okay, same concept. Okay, same concept. Okay, I'll stop it now.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll stop.